Let's be real for a second. How many things have you put off because you're waiting to feel ready? We tell ourselves we need more time, more coffee, or the perfect plan. But ready is a total lie. It's just a clever way for our brains to avoid the awkward beginner phase. Think about that project you've been sitting on. Maybe it's starting a side business or finally learning to code. If you're waiting for a lightning bolt of ambition to strike before you open your laptop, you're letting a mood run your life instead of your strategic autonomy. Here's a better way to look at it. Say you want to learn a new skill, like video editing or a new language. You don't need a high-end studio or a 6-month masterclass to start. Most of us get stuck scrolling through tutorials, calling it research. But that's just procrastinating in a fancy suit. The truth is, you'll learn more in 10 minutes of actually doing the thing, even if it's a total mess, than in 10 hours of watching someone else do it. Action is what creates the vibe, not the other way around. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be willing to be bad at it for a little while. Stop waiting for the stars to align. They're stars. They've got their own stuff going on. Progress doesn't require a grand opening. It just requires a meh, I'll just do 5 minutes opening. Because once you start, the momentum kicks in, and that's when the ready feeling finally decides to show up. So, what's one thing you're overthinking right now? Give yourself permission to do it badly today? Just start. Small steps, real growth.